Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain the problem behind in HP Laserjet 1018 horizontal line. A printout which is giving horizontal line. So, if it happens, what you have to do, we are going to see in this video. Right? This is 1018, 1010, 1012, 1020 M1005 MFP. These printers are the same printers because these all above specified printers using the 12A cartridge. Using the 12A cartridge. So I will show this. This cartridge is for the above mentioned printer 1018, 1010, 1012, 1020 M1005 MFP. I am going to give one more printout. I am going to check through this. See, I am going to click start in my laptop and devices and printers. In this, there is a printer 1018. In this printer, I am going to click right button, printer properties. In this, I am going to click print test page. See, I am going to check. I am getting the printout like this. This is the horizontal line problem printer. So, what you have to do? So, generally this problem happen because of drum. If you change the drum, the problem will get sorted out. If you change the drum, the problem will get sorted out. So, I am going to change the drum. This is the problem I am getting. So, generally if you get a problem, if you get the same problem in any printer like 1010, 1012, 1018, 1018 or 1020, M1005 or any 88A cartridges, any cartridges, if you have the same type of problem, simply replace the drum, right? So here what I am going to do, I am going to replace the drum. So first I am going to take out the cartridge. The green color is there, that is the drum. I am going to change this drum. Okay. After changing the drum, we will check in the printer itself, right? Okay. First we will change the drum, right? For this, I am going to remove these two screws. Then take this top cover, simply keep like this, just lift like this, remove the drum. Take out the drum, keep the drum like here, and take the new drum, open the new drum, and place into the cartridge. Then close the cover and place the screws. Place the screw. Whenever if you are trying to refill or change the drum, always keep one wet cloth. Because the wet cloth only will help you to do not allow the powder to spread around your area. So it will stop the spreading ratio. Right? So I have replaced the drum. I am going to place into the printer. See the printout, right? Now I am going to place the cartridge into the printer. So this is the printer inside. See, I am going to place the cartridge inside the printer. Right? I have placed in the cartridge. Right? I am going to place the printer and I am going to give one printout. I'm going to give you printout. I'm going to check the printout. So I have given the now the printout is very nice. Now the printout is very nice. I will try one more printout. So I am going to give one more printout. You will check whether the replaced drum is working properly or not. So which is very nice. I am getting that quality output. I will try one more printout. So I have given a printout. So I will check. So we are sure about this because of the drum. So we got the printout like this. Because of the drum, we got the printout like this. Okay. After this is the printout before replacing the drum. We got the printout. After replacing the drum, we got the printout. So this is the way to solve or sort out the problem when you try to take printout. If you got horizontal line, you have to replace the drum. This is applicable for all printers like HP Laserjet 1018, 1012, 1011, 1010, 1020, M1005 MFP. Right? So which is applicable the above specified printer. So please apply the procedure what I have specified or narrated in the video. Simply follow and succeed the problem. Right? Thanking you. So if you like this video, please like my video, subscribe my video because very important, because I am releasing every day printer, laptop, desktop related problems and solutions, and also I have released more videos, cartridges refilling, laser as well as ink cartridges. Every day also I am releasing. So if you subscribe means you can get immediate intimation and updation. So please subscribe my channel. And the same printer, if any one of your printer is having, please share this video. Let them enjoy with this. Anyway, they in future they will have such a problem or they will meet such a problem. That time this video may useful for them. So please share to their friends and relatives and neighbors. Let them share to their friends and relatives and neighbor. Let it goes by chain. If you have any new problem or struggling with a problem, please specify in comment. Seeing that comment, I can help you to resolve the problem through my videos. So enjoy this video. Have a nice day. We'll see next problem with some other solution in next video. Have a nice day. Welcome.